I got a surprise package from YesStyle. Thank you, YesStyle, for sending me a birthday gift. Thank you. I am a YesStyle influencer. I think this is the first ever birthday gift that I've gotten from YesStyle. This is my daughter, and she has decided she wanted to join me for unboxing my birthday gift. My birthday was back in April. We're gonna open it together, and we're gonna take turns pulling something out.
Oh, okay.
Does that sound good? So I thought it'd be a fun mother-daughter thing to do for the video. Ooh!
Oh my goodness, look at that stuff. Alright, you pull out something first.
This is Glow Drops Vitamin C Serum. Okay, Glow Drops. We'll do this. We'll be official YouTubers, so you gotta hold your hand and block out people's faces. Oh. So you want your face to stand behind. See how the camera focuses on the product.
Yeah. Okay.
Little lesson in being a YouTuber. Okay? So you don't want your face to show when you're showing the product, so that the camera blurs your focuses on the product.
So, Fruity Glass Tint Lip Gloss
by Colorgram. Okay? So then
we did.
You gotta hold it up closer to the, yep. Like, oh, let me block out my face. See? It focused on it. Good job. I feel like we should see what color it is, though.
Yeah, let's see. See what color it is.
Oh! Oh! All right. Oh, we gotta block out your face. Oh, that's cute.
That's so cool.
That might end up being yours because that's really cute.
Oh wait, yay! It's mine. I want it. Thank you.
Okay, smell it.
I'll take it.
Now you gotta tell us what. Does it smell like anything?
It smells oily a little bit, but like a sweet smell with an oily tint.
Yeah, it doesn't really smell. It's like a very light. Is it supposed to? It just says fruity.
Yeah.
It's just supposed to. Okay, but it's got a little glitter in there.
Yeah,
That's cute.
I'll take it. I'll take it.
What is this? Oh wait, it's my turn. It's my turn.
Sorry,
You can pull the next one out.
I'm just
Okay.
looking at it. I'm just looking at it, mother.
Pink Flash. Oh, double fix setting spray. Okay, so it's a setting spray. I'm gonna spray it.
Oh, jeez. Do I need to get out of here?
Okay, ready? Just stay right there.
Oh, okay.
Oh, that's a fine mist. It doesn't smell like anything.
Yeah, it does smell like it.
What?
Wait, now I get it.
No way. Okay.
I'm trying to smell.
All right, your turn.
Okay.
What is it?
I don't know what it says. Honey, well, something and honey. Beauty spa bath tablet.
A bath tablet. I think it's if we had a bathtub, you could put it in your bathtub and it probably would fizz up.
And if anybody knows what, blur your face.
Blur face.
If anybody knows what the top thing says, in the different language, please help us out. Because I have no idea what that says.
Daisy and Essence Honey. Okay, cool. Stream Side Glow. Folk Allure is the brand.
Folk Allure?
It's a color highlighter contour palette. This one is made in China. Okay, that looks pretty. I feel like we should open this one too. All right, that's a pretty palette. Okay, so when you do it this way, you gotta hide the mirror, or it blinds the people and they just see the camera. That's pretty. Oh wait, there's a special note. Dear Sean, oh, I put my name on it. We're so glad you're part of the YesStyle influencer fam. To celebrate you, we've handpicked a few treats. Love from the YesStyle influencer team. Yay!
Good job, Mother.
Thank you.
Hug you for the rest of the day.
Ooh, Celamax. That's a good brand too.
Pore plus dark spot brightening serum mask.
Ooh.
But still Korean stuff.
Well, yeah, because this is from
stuff.
Korea. YesStyle is Korean.
I don't know how to do that.
All right, good. Okay, hold it up, and then it'll blur our face out, because look, we can both hide behind the box. And it's wrapped up in a bubble wrap. It says, Happy Me Day? What is this? Okay, we're going to have to open it, because I don't know what this is. Oh, it's an eyeshadow palette. Oh.
Oh.
That's cute.
It's like a little present. It's a little present. Oh, that's cute.
Oh, that's really cute. Alright, we gotta show it. Hold on.
My eyes have deceived me.
That's really pretty. It's got a whole row of glitters up here. Except for this looks like a shimmer. This one maybe is a shimmer. It's really pretty. Thank you so much, YesStyle. Thank you for joining me.
You're welcome. I was glad I was able to be here.
Today is a great day to wear sunscreen. I'll see you in my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.
Bye. Life is better with you. Oh my goodness, look at that stuff.
Oh.
Do I need to get out of here? My face is in the corner. Alrighty, let's move. Oh, yay.